back to the channel, Rush Fam. Finally back in Jamaica. I missed you guys. I don't know, you guys missed me as well. Was in Miami for a while, and I tried my best to share my traveling experience with you guys. I know not everyone liked all the Miami video, but to be honest, the real aim was to share the vacation experience with you guys, one, and whatever things I saw in Miami that I know would have been good to Jamaica or good for Jamaica, wanted to share those as well, because there's nothing wrong with seeing something that's working for someone else and implementing it for yourself or for your country in this context. So happy to be back, happy to be in Jamaica. I love Jamaica, and I know you guys love Jamaica as well. If you love Jamaica, just put a Jamaica flag in the comment section right now. So wherever you are in the video, just you don't even have to pause, just go in the comment section and put a Jamaica flag right there. So it's the first video for 2022, first video since I'm back in Jamaica, and today we'll be taking a walk through somewhere new, somewhere that I've never been before, so you guys definitely stay tuned. Alright guys, so we are at the marketplace today. I'll be taking a walk through the entire complex, and as usual we'll set up the drone as well. Very nice area to eat, to dine, to take out friends and family. There's a lot of restaurants in one area, which is really nice. So the sun is shining big and bright. Remember to like, remember to comment, remember to share, and remember to definitely subscribe as well. So let's head on to show you guys the marketplace, right here off Kingston Spring Road, literally in half a tree. Good place to vibes and chill. So stay tuned, let's take a walk through. Alright guys, so we are at the marketplace. Alright, so this is 67 Kingston Spring Road. That's where we're at today, and that's the marketplace. So somewhere to bring your friends, your family, somewhere to chill, relax, unwind on a Friday evening, get some drinks right off Kingston Spring Road. That big building over there, it's Globe Furniture. What I was told back in the days was pretty busy with activity, but right now it's a very big abandoned building that is begging for some development. I think at one point they fenced it off, and I think I thought work was gonna start over there, but then they pulled down back the fence. I think homeless persons living there because it's a very big building. So we have truck stop. They were previously close to Waterloo Road, so now they have moved to come down to this side, which is an area filled with dining type restaurants, whether it's a party, an anniversary, a baby shower. You have a lot of options to choose from. So we're gonna take a walk through and explore some of the restaurants here. Most of them not open yet because it's pretty early. I think they'll start getting busy around 5 p.m. so we won't see much activity right now, but at least you guys can see what the marketplace has to offer. I think this is the only non-restaurant business over here in Tomex. I think they deal with printers and stationaries. So that's Kingston Spring Road out there. Alright, so we have truck stop we saw before. We have Zach's Smokehouse Barbecue, and then we have Epican Lounge. So they have different marijuana products, hookah products they can smoke. I think they have a bar area and light food items as well. Then we have Epican Topaz Lounge. They're both connected. So I think one is probably just cannabis products, marijuana products, and one you can do some form of dining. And of course we have Usain Bolt's tracks and records, and then we'll go into the Courtyard area. So you have Mariana's Kitchen, and then the very popular Usain Bolt Tracks and Records. I think a location is in Montego Bay. One is in England as well. You know, so Usain is definitely spreading his wings with Tracks and Records. And then over this side is the Courtyard. There's a lot of restaurants in one area. So let's take a walk inside. And as I mentioned before, we'll set up the drone so you guys can get a little aerial view of the area. So definitely stay tuned for that as well. These are now the shops in the Courtyard. So we have Saffron, Fromage. They have a lot of location around Kingston. Me Hungry, vegetarian. Oceano, which is very popular right now. Japanese restaurant, very popular. India is always full. You have Burot, Mediterranean, China. So Burot is a Mediterranean cuisine, China Express, Chinese of course, and then Shams, Middle East cuisine and bakery. So let's take a look inside. Alright, so right here is China Express. And then you have some outdoor dining. And then I'll show you where Oceano is. Then we have Burot over this side. And then over this side we have Oceano. We have Fromage and Saffron around this side. Like their decor, very nice to take photos. That's Fromage. And beside them we have Saffron. Alright, so there's about 2 more restaurants around this side. At night all these lights are on, so it's a nice vibe. Nice photo opportunities as well. So we have the side door for Fromage. And then this also leads to another parking area. Right here you have Shams, and then down there, this side you have Me Hungry. And once you guys have been to one of these locations, one of these restaurants, you know, definitely share your experience. You know, if it's a recommendation, let we know, so that everyone, including myself, can check them out. And if it's not, let us know as well. Alright, so around this side, as I mentioned, is additional parking and also the back gate for Ministry of Justice, which has a very big complex beside the marketplace. So parking area, and then this is basically this is the back entrance for the marketplace. Alright guys, so again, just a quick walkthrough. Won't go inside each restaurant. Probably what I'll do in probably a series, if you guys don't mind, is whenever I go to restaurants, you know, do a vlog on that just to share the experience. So let me know what you guys think, to do like a restaurant hopping and just to vlog the experience, vlog the food, the ambience. But right now I won't go in every restaurant. So this is the marketplace. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and I'll definitely see you guys on another video. and remember to stay tuned for the draw.